guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we are going to show you or discuss with you how to fix ASUS TUF gaming laptop Wi-Fi issue. So if you're interested, let's start this tutorial. In this case, there are a few steps here you need to do to probably fix this issue. So one of them is to first access your device manager. So first, open your device manager by tapping it into the search bar in your Windows. Now look for the network adapters and find your Wi-Fi adapter listed there. Now, in this case, you want to right-click on your Wi-Fi adapter and select Uninstall Device. Now, once that's done, confirm the uninstallation. Now, you want to restart your laptop. Now, after you uninstall the driver, restart your laptop. The system should automatically reinstall, or in this case, reinstall the basic version of the driver. Next is you want to check the problem is resolved. Now, if your Wi-Fi issue is still there after restart, don't worry, try uninstalling the driver again using the same method. Now, in this case, you want to go ahead and get the official ASUS drivers as well. So this time, after uninstalling the driver, instead of restarting, head to ASUS website, go to support section and find your laptop modem. And in this case, download the latest official Wi-Fi drivers from there. Now, once you've downloaded the drivers, install them manually and restart your laptop again. And that's about it. So, hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.